Well, hey guys, good morning. Welcome to the channel. Well, I had to do a little demolition this morning. After I put these pedals on there and started driving the car, we discovered that they're a little bit too far forward. So we went ahead and we put a mark where they need to go. That's the center point there, where they all pivot, all the pedals pivot there. So we'll move it up there. So I am going to prevent sand from coming up and all sorts of stuff, I'm going to kind of plate this area here. And I was discussing with my son about plating the whole thing. It's like, okay, all this sand can come up in here while we're driving, but then he's like, yeah, but any sand that comes up will go back down instead of collecting in there. So I don't know which way to go yet, either make a solid bottom or just leave it like it is. Maybe you guys can make a comment and tell me what you think. But right now it's kind of up in the air whether we're going to have a solid floor or keep the expanded metal. But today, reassembling the pedals, I am going to block that off because I don't need sand getting up into the mechanisms there. So anyways, I can get a little work done here and let's see how this goes. Well, that was fun. Now, started out this day with working with this pedal assembly, and it turned into a bigger job than I really expected, because these little stoppers for the pedals, they were worn, they were uneven, the pedals were sitting uneven, so I had to do some metal forming and fabrication in there, grinding certain shapes, you know, basically that's what I achieved on both those pedals. So now they're sitting nice and even in the same spot there. But that took some work there. So still got to run a bead across that there. And I just basically tacked it into spot there. I want to make sure it fits well for Bobby to drive. Obviously it's comfortable for me. I don't know if you guys heard when I was driving, I heard something go psh and whistle, and what the hell was that? I don't know. Still needs a little bit of tuning, but I tell you what, it sure runs a lot better. And there's like absolutely no weight to this thing, so yeah, I hate them damn Weber carburetors. I tell you, I'm planning on going electronic fuel injection with Rally Bug. And I'm thinking of doing the same with this, just get rid of that damn carburetor. But yeah, it's getting there, guys. I had to cut the tubes I put in for the cables, of course, since I moved everything back about 6 inches. Those had to be cut. So yeah, Bobby started on the wiring. So we'll have lights soon. But yeah, I'm real happy with the buggy right now. So after I started working this morning, Bobby's like, hey, can you come and help me get something out of my truck? Well, yeah, so he brought home another LS motor. And he's going to be doing, apparently the guy pulled it out of his truck because it started ticking. And these LS motors, they're kind of notorious for having lifter knocks. And so we're hoping that's all it is. So he'll take this part, clean it all up, refresh it, and he actually wants to throw this into the C10 to get it running before we get that monster of an engine all together, because the parts for that, well, they're expensive. Turbochargers, the control modulars, all that stuff. This guy here, I'm still putting together parts for it. Got an ignition system coming, fuel injection. So yeah, that's all together. Anyways, guys, lots of stuff coming together. And now we got an LS motor to take apart. You can watch us clean that up and refreshing that one. So, and get the C10 going. Lots of stuff going on. Oh my goodness. Still got this thing to go in Frankenbuggy, but I got to tear it all the way down and freshen it up. So, anyways, like and subscribe to the channel, guys, and we got a lot of stuff coming. I tell you. We'll see you on the next one.